Brace for high food prices. That's warning from the Jamaica Agricultural Society, JAS, to consumers. The organization's president says the more than 100% increase in some cases is due to several factors. Fruits, vegetables, and various types of meats are must-haves for Jamaicans at Christmas. But this year, the Jamaica Agricultural Society's president, Lenworth Fulton, says the price of vegetables, including tomatoes, cabbage, and lettuce, have increased by up to 150%. As for meats, there's a nominal increase of 7 to 10%. Mr. Fulton attributes the increases to inflationary pressures impacting the country.
There is an inflation running about 9–12% around that we can't do anything about and so on. But remember, the major chicken companies have reduced their prices in the region of 12 and 14% a couple months ago. So we are not bad with meat, except for goat meat.
Mr. Fulton noted that farmers are concerned about meeting the demands for produce.
There are some factors that we didn't calculate. We did not calculate that tourism would have bounced back this well, and we have to feed them. So the market is under pressure to suffice the local consumers and the hotels and restaurants. So that too is a factor that is pushing up the price.
In addition to those concerns, the JAS head says predial larceny continues to hamper productivity in the island's agricultural sector. He says the farmers are not happy.
They are very disgruntled because they're not seeing any deliberate step to stem predial larceny. And I'm not saying that the police is not putting out their best effort. But with this type of crime rate, the police is going to choose to attend to rape and murder and arson and these things before they attend to predial larceny. It's just natural.